Hey, Legal Gangsta. Today is September the 2nd, and that meaning is officially day 2 of my 21 days of consecutive, consistent content just for you. So, if you're here and you've been following for a moment, or if you're here and this is your first time, take a moment and subscribe to the channel. Don't only subscribe, but share this channel with your family, your friends, anyone you know who may reside or even work or pass through the Houston, Harris County, Texas area, because it is information that's on this channel that is extremely valuable. And I know they will be able to use this. Now, this channel was originally called Miss Officer 713, but we are in the process of rebranding and pivoting to Legal Gangsta TV. Okay, and in doing so, we're not just covering things that relate to criminal record expungement and sealing. Of course, that is our first priority because we want to see everyone get set free from these criminal records that are like a lifetime sentence. And many have these records and don't even realize that they can be removed. But that's not the only thing we're covering here on this channel. We will also be covering Texas Penal Code, Texas laws, simple things how to navigate the justice system. We will be having interviews with players here in the Texas justice system on both sides of the aisle, okay? So not just from the legislative part, but from the people part as well. Okay, so we're bringing all of this here to you all. Now, one of the things I'll need you all to know before we go any farther, that this is a ministry for me. God chose me for this. I had no desire to become a police officer at all. As a matter of fact, I wanted to be a doctor, but in my senior year of high school, just finishing my senior year, I should say, just after graduation, my home burned down. Now, I'm the only daughter of 4 brothers, of 5 total children. So I became like the surrogate second mother. So when the house burned down, I ended up going into the United States Army, and I served during Operation Desert Storm. Came home, didn't know what I was going to do with myself, went back to college, finished my degree in criminal justice, and the opportunity became available for me to attend abbreviated police academy. My mother taught me, anytime a door opens up for you, always take it, always walk through it, especially if it's for the betterment of yourself and others. So that's what happened. I walked through the door, and I'm so grateful I did, because it has afforded me an opportunity to walk into what God chose me to do. So I'm still in a sorts a doctor, because when you help a person get these criminal records off their backs, you can see the healing setting in. So I love it, and it's still medicine to myself and to everyone I'm able to help. So um I let me go back just a tad bit, because I get so excited when I start talking about the calling part. But I went to the military, came home, finished my degree, and eventually became a police officer. But after coming back home, the first thing God allowed me to do was be sat down at a job at the Harris County Sheriff's Office in the Central Records, which is the heartbeat of the entire Harris County jail system. Okay, now Texas is officially the second largest state in the United States. So we have the second largest, Harris County has the second largest judicial system in the entire United States. And we are the first largest in the state of Texas. So God has equipped me, you all, beautiful person, legal gangster. God has equipped me to do exactly what I'm doing right now. And that's bringing this knowledge that I've learned over the past 30 plus years to you. Right here, through this channel, I'm bringing it to you, and I'm not holding back anything. I'm bringing you the good, the bad, the ugly, the everything, because knowledge is power. Okay, so I'm not going to hold you, but this is day 2 of my 21 days. So, right now, again, if you have not subscribed, subscribe, because the only way we are going to change the laws and the way this judicial system is here in Texas is if we get educated about it, we learn together, we stick together, and together we will change things, okay? So, and remember, it may not be for you, it may not be you who need it, but you have family, you have friends, you may have children, and if you have children, you may have grandchildren eventually who will need this information. So the goal is to set this right here and establish this platform, build this platform up, so the knowledge will always be here for us all. Okay? Again, this is day 2. I'm going to get ready to close. And as I always end, I'm thankful, I'm grateful, I love you, and I'm glad you're here. If you do have a criminal record, or you know someone who has a criminal record here in Harris County, we are still here to assist with that. They can go to our website at eraseyourrecord.com. That's ERASEYORECORD.com, and find all the information right there. All right. Love you, Legal Gangsta. Be good. Take care of yourself and be safe. This is Sean Lacey, aka Ms. Officer, and I'm signing out. Bye bye, Legal Gangsta.